Yeah, so the topic is we are really allowed to get tired. That's like the title. Um, and it really is kind of like reflecting on yourself uh, while doing repeated action. This is like the same way as we use meditation or do Sudoku or crossword puzzles. It's the same thing. It's just a repeated action helps us to deal with like emotions, with tiredness. It can be like different topics, and I have chosen tiredness because I felt that I glued these crystals for 8 months to make a series where I glued 500,000 crystals like all the time, and I was trying to figure out why I am tired and how to deal with it. So that's the reason behind it. Like I started with my own experience, and then I found ways how to like help others also in different ways. This is like a new version of the like of the
Meditation.
working with the topic. Usually it's like a bit different. Now it's I want to try out how it goes like with gluing the diamonds, because that's like that's the process that